I'm going to show a quick little headliner repair. Basically, the headliner's falling off. You have all this dust that comes off of here, and so you got to kind of scrape the dust off a little bit. But the headliner's coming apart, so you want to mask down there, but you also want to mask down here. All right, and mask off areas that you don't want to get messed up. This is the stuff that I would recommend you use. It's about $25 a can, and as you can see when you spray it, let me see if I can get the spray coming out. Has a certain way of coming out, sort of flat, so you want to practice that a little bit. Definitely you want to get this stuff in there and spray it on this area, kind of where you're gonna try and reattach that liner. Get it in the camera. And if you do it correctly, got it on the liner. I'm trying to do this with the camera in my hand, which is kind of stupid. Okay. Anyway, that's the way it looks. And then keep going. Be careful. Pull it all the way back. Make sure I got all that stuff there covered. Because once you stick it back on there, man, it's not gonna. Okay. So you can kind of see where I've got the glue on there. All right, so I'm gonna kind of just push it back a little bit. All right. A little tiny bit as I go along, you know, make sure it's folded correctly. So I'm going to move it up a little bit at a time. I'm not going to pick one spot in the middle and start there. That's going to kind of go back. Should be wearing gloves too, maybe even a mask. Okay, put it all back in there. This glue's pretty strong stuff, so it should be okay. I missed that spot. I didn't get enough glue on there. Get that. Okay. You got that cardboard there, so you can kind of spray. Make sure you got the nozzle pointed the correct way. It's hard to do this with the phone in my hand. Okay. Alright, see if I can undo this. I kind of messed it up a little bit. Peel it back some. Yeah, alright, so doing this with one hand, not recommended. Anyway, I'm trying to show people you can fix these headliners pretty easily. Instead of letting them blow in the wind and fall off the whole car and kind of look raggedy and get all that dust flowing everywhere. It's kind of nasty. Anyway, that's about it. Got a little glue here. Just gonna put it on there with my finger. And you gotta get that dust off, or else it's just gonna fall right back down because it's sticking to dust. Alright, there's some more right there I need. One more glue. Okay. So what I'll do for that is I'll just spray some glue here and see where I'm kind of falling apart here. Use a little bit of that glue, get it up underneath there, and then attach this thing. I don't think anybody's gonna see that. It's in the back. Okay. Again, you might want to wear gloves. The problem with gloves is I can't feel anything when I'm doing this stuff. Okay. Alright, for now, that's good enough. Let's throw this stuff outside, out of the car. Okay, so as you can see, it's not perfect. You know, that's because I did it with one hand. So I'll go back in there and I'll kind of fix it up a little bit later. But, you know, if you're looking out the back window of the car, you don't see that headliner hanging down anymore. You only kind of see where it's repaired as you get really close back here. And that's it. So there you go. Looks a lot better, right?